आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे केमिकल रिएक्शन ऑफ फिनोल। और केमिकल रिएक्शन ऑफ फिनोल में हम पढ़ रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन ऑफ फिनोल। तो हमने अभी तक पढ़ा था दैट इज एल्काइलेशन रिएक्शन, एसाइलेशन रिएक्शन, फ्रीडल-क्राफ्ट रिएक्शन, नाइट्रेशन रिएक्शन and sulfonation reaction of phenol. Next reaction है Coles reaction. In this reaction, sodium react with phenol to form phenoxide ion. To form phenoxide, sodium phenoxide ion. When sodium, this is sodium phenoxide ion. Sodium phenoxide ion when treated with carbon dioxide in presence of an acid anhydrous ammonium trichloride, we can get an intermediate that is sodium salicylate ion, COONA. This is sodium salicylate ion. Sodium salicylate ion. When sodium salicylate is treated with dilute sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acid, we can get this is called orthohydroxy or 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, commonly called salicylic acid. Salicylic, it is the common name of the salicylic acid, that is 2-hydroxy benzoic acid is called salicylic acid, and Coles reaction is used for the preparation of salicylic acid. This salicylic acid is the starting material for the synthesis of drug aspirin and Salol. Aspirin and Salol. When 2-hydroxy salicylic acid, benzoic acid COH or salicylic acid treated with anhydrous acetic anhydride. This is the formula of acetic anhydride. Treated with acetic anhydride, they form, this acetic anhydride have two parts. This is positive part and this is negative part. Now the product formed is the product formed is 2-acetoxy benzoic acid, and this 2-acetoxy benzoic acid is commonly called aspirin. This aspirin is either used as analgesic or means to lower the body temperature. We can call analgesic or antipyretic, means they relieve from, in analgesic they relieve the body pain, body pain. And in antipyretic, they lower the body temperature. Lower the body temperature means this aspirin is either used as analgesic or antipyretic drug. When instead of acetic anhydride, when we use phenol, benzene sulfonic phenol, we can get the drug Salol. That is 2-hydroxy phenyl benzoate. This is called 2-hydroxy phenyl benzoate, commonly called SALOL, commonly called Salol, and this Salol is used as an intestinal antiseptic. This Salol is commonly used as intestinal antiseptic. The number next is Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Reimer-Tiemann, Reimer-Tiemann reaction. What is Reimer-Tiemann reaction? In this reaction, phenol is treated with chloroform in presence of base to form 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde as the major product. The reaction is called Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Means phenol when treated with chloroform CHCl3, that is chloroform, in presence of base Na sodium hydroxide, in presence of base, that is sodium hydroxide, to form benz 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde, commonly called salicylaldehyde, and the reaction is called Reimer-Tiemann reaction. In this reaction, when chloroform is treated with phenol, they form an intermediate product CH. This minus HCl to form CHCl2, followed by treatment with 2 CHCl2 react with 2 mole of sodium hydroxide. This can be eliminated, minus twice NaCl. The adduct is this. This is adduct, followed by hydrolysis minus H2O to dehydration. They form the product salicylaldehyde. How this is formed? Phenol treated with chloroform CHCl3 minus HCl to form an adduct. When treated with twice 2 mole of sodium hydroxide, we can get addition product, which upon dehydration gives salicylaldehyde as the major product. However, instead of chloroform, when we treat with carbon CCl4, that is carbon tetrachloride, carbon tetrachloride in presence of base, the product is carboxylic 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, commonly called salicylic acid, and this is also again the starting material for the synthesis of either aspirin or Salol drugs. Another one is Fries rearrangement. Third is Fries, F-R-I-E-S, Fries rearrangement. What is Fries rearrangement? When phenol is treated with acetic anhydride CH3CO, acetic anhydride, this is acetic anhydride. When phenol is treated with acetic anhydride, they form the product an acetophenone as the product, which this acetophenone, when treated with acid, they undergo either ortho or para rearrangement of acetyl group. This acetyl group can be moved from the oxygen to either ortho position or para position to form the product orthohydroxy or parahydroxy acetophenone. Orthohydroxy or para, this is phenyl acetate. When treated with an acid to form ortho or parahydroxy acetophenone as the product, this rearrangement is called Fries rearrangement. How? This phenyl acetate is formed by reaction of phenol with acetic anhydride, which upon when heated with presence of acid to form ortho or parahydroxy acetophenone, the rearrangement is called Fries rearrangement. Number next is reaction with phthalic anhydride. In this reaction, this is the general formula of phthalic anhydride. This is called phthalic anhydride. When treated with 2 mole of phenol, this is 2 mole of phenol, they evolve the loss of water to form phenolphthalein, to form phenolphthalein, and this reaction is used for the preparation of phenolphthalein dye, which is used as indicator of an acid. Phenolphthalein is a basic dye which is used for the acidic indicators. The last chemical reaction is coupling reaction. Coupling reaction. In coupling reaction, benzene diazonium salt. Benzene, the formula of benzene diazonium salt is, this is benzene diazonium salt. Diazonium salt, when treated with phenol, they form an azo dye. This is azo dye. The reaction is commonly called coupling reaction. Means in this reaction, phenol treated with benzene diazonium salt to form an orange colored azo dye. The reaction is called coupling reaction. Today we can discuss the Kolb reaction. Another one is Ramer-Tiemann reaction. Then we can discuss the reaction with Fries rearrangement. Then we can discuss the coupling reaction as well as the reaction with benzene phthalic anhydride to form either azo dye or phenolphthalein. Thank you.